Welcome to Reykjavik. I'm going to do a short little walk here through downtown, and there are quite a few murals on the walls, and they're quite famous for it here. There's well over 100 here. I'm just going to do a short walk and cover a few of them so you can have a see what it looks like here. Reykjavik's pretty easy to walk. There are some hills, but not too bad. So I'm heading out now. We're staying pretty close to the main walking area here in downtown, so that's where I'll concentrate my video on for this current video. You can see it's a pretty colorful little town here. Even though it's a capital, it's still pretty small. This tattoo shop over here is always playing music pretty loud out in the street. This one's quite large and not a very good viewing angle for it.
Það er meira bara svona